Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. So on today's tutorial, I'm going to show you how you can nail the perfect angsty aesthetic emo look and dominate the next goth, punk or black and white theme in DTI. So let me just show you how you can capture that early 2000 angst through this look, and let's just get started. So first for the hair, I'm using black and also combine it with pink color, and these are the hair that I use. For this one, I only use the bangs. Now let's put on the outfit. So first I'm going to go put on this t-shirts right here and toggle it into no picture, and I'm going to use this black and pink pattern. If you don't want to use pattern, you can also go with solid color, but here I'm going to use these patterns right here. And let me put on these arm warmers in here and change the color using this stripe pattern. Let me also put on this gloves right here. You can toggle it into no fur and use the fishnet patterns for this one. Make sure that it match with the skin tone like this. And I'm going to go in here and put on this shoes right here. Change the first color to black and the second one to pink. I'm going to use this pink color. Also the third one, use the leg warmer. For the leg warmer, I'm going to use the pink zebra pattern. Now let's put on some accessory. Here I'm going to use this choker necklace. For the pants, let's use on this flare jeans. Remove the flower, add some ribs, torn rims in here, and I'm going to change the color into black. And now you can also add other items. Here I'm going to use this skirt and change the color using black pattern. Here I'm going to use the chain in a pink color. And so this is the final look for emo in DTI. Thank you so much for watching. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Also click on thanks. I'll see you all on the next one.